Bible is the most ancient copied piece of literature on the planet. Nothing even comes remotely close. 66 books, 41 authors, written in a 1600-year period of time, in 3 languages, on 3 continents, 11 different literary styles, 8 different occupations, from peasants to prophets to kings, wrote it. And it's 26.7% prophetic in content, meaning it speaks of future events, and it has 100% accuracy. 50% of the prophecies in Scripture have already occurred, and we're waiting for the next 50. So I believe God. I believe Holy Writ. I believe that, yes, God the Son, God the Father sent God the Son down here in my stead to take that wrath in my stead and pay that price and redeem me, because I could never pay that infinite price. Because any sin, for those who just walked in, whenever I sin, if I sin against an individual, that's bad. Now, if I sin against an officer, this is worse. And if I sin against the governor, this is a lot worse. But if I sin against the president, this is really bad, right? The punishment gets greater as the office increases. And so when we sin against God, the ineffable majesty on high, who is of infinite worth, infinite value, we incur an infinite debt.